Here are my 10 best affiliate marketing tips for success, and we're starting right now. Hey, I'm Royal. Welcome to Royal's Mindset. In this video, we're going to be going over my personal 10 best tips for affiliate marketing and how to get affiliate marketing success in this industry. All right, so be sure to watch this full video, like this video, and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. I got some very valuable tips that's going to help you push the needle in your affiliate marketing business. So let's get started with number one, guys. Leaders are readers. All right, you have to become a different person. You have to become the person that you truly see yourself as. It is a very common thing of people that become super affiliates, people that make a lot of money in this industry, is that they learn, right? They really immerse themselves in their art, in their craft. And that is a common thing that people that make big money, they read, right? And a book that I recommend for you to read is How to Win Friends and Influence People. If you have not read this book, you definitely want to get you a copy, either a physical book, or definitely find it on audiobook and dig into this book, because it's going to change your affiliate marketing journey. All right, very good read, very good read. Next thing is you have to create a vision. I know a lot of people roll out of bed and they just wing it, right? They don't really have plans. They don't have, goals. A lot of people just wing it and they don't see the big vision of what they're trying to create when they get into this affiliate marketing business and building a business online. You must have a vision of the type of person, the type of lifestyle, the type of income that you really want to have and what you're working towards. So make sure you're writing your goals down, guys. It is vital to your success. Tip number 3, you should be marketing daily. You should be doing something in your business daily to move the needle forward in your online business. All right, whether it's creating content, videos, sending emails, doing something every day and to find customers, right? To grow your online business, you should be contacting and getting in contact with new people daily, which ties in to number 4, building a big list. It is something that's common from people that make a lot of money in this industry. Is they have a huge email list, right? And having a huge email list is traffic on demand. Is when you can literally write an email, press send, and you have eyeballs on your products, on your services. And it's like an instant traffic source, right? That's the only difference between people making huge money and people not making very much money online, is they have a responsive and a big email list. So market daily and grow your email list daily as well. Number 5, you might disagree with, right? But screw the product. Screw the product. A lot of people think that it's about the products, right? You want to know all the bells and whistles, all the benefits and how-tos, and it does this and does that. To be honest, guys, it's not even about the products. People purchase from people that they like. And too many people get hung up on the products, and it's not even really about the products, which is why you see some big leaders, they can jump inside of any affiliate program. They're promoting 4 or 5 different things and they're making money with all of them, because at the end of the day, it's not really about the products. And I guess I gave hint to number 6 already, but people buy from people. It's not about the products, guys. People buy from people they like. People buy from people that they trust, which is why building an online audience, people will trust your recommendations and they'll click on your links and they'll purchase products, right? People buy from people that they like, and the more you learn about people, it becomes less about the products, because you understand buyer behavior, you understand objections, you understand sales, right? And not that you have to become a hardcore salesperson, but you just have to relate to people, because this is a people's business. And number 7 is for people that struggle online year after year with 0 results. There is no new thing. Now, to be honest, guys, a lot of people rehash products from old stuff, right? And they put a new spin on it, right? There's not really much new things that come out, guys. The people aren't reinventing the wheel here, all right? There's not too many new things. 9 out of 10 times, guys, it's nothing that you're missing. And if it is, I don't believe it's nothing that's going to drastically change your life in your online business. This is where the shiny item syndrome comes from. This is for people that jump from product to product, from mentor to mentor, from company to company, and with that sick hope, oh, this one's going to be it, right? This is going to be the difference maker. And usually it's not. So stop chasing things that will lead you absolutely nowhere. Because there's people that have been online for years, struggling to make their first $1,000. You gotta stop that. Seriously, there is no new thing. And if it is, you're not missing much, I promise. Number 8 is a tough pill for some people to swallow, but you can't be afraid of paid traffic. Paid traffic is one of the easiest ways to grow your online business because it is an endless supply, right? You can keep putting money into paid traffic and they're going to keep sending you visitors. The thing with your end is you have to make sure you convert the visitors into paying customers, all right? That's really what it's about, guys. It's converting people that do come to your funnel, that do come to your landing page, making sure that you get the best, you give them the best user experience, right? You make sure that they have the best customer experience, and to remember what it's like for them to be on the other end of the sales funnel. But paid traffic is amazing when you know how to use it and how to capitalize on growing your list and getting the results that you truly desire. Number 9, guys, find your thing. Find your thing. So last year I was posting a lot of TikTok videos, a lot of Instagram, and to come to find out is I don't want to be a social media superstar, right? I don't want to be posting 5 videos per week on social media and keeping up with all the trends and the hashtags. It's a lot. It truly is a lot. And some people crush it, but I found out that that's not my thing. I prefer to put more energy into YouTube, right? I prefer to put more energy into paid traffic. I prefer to put more energy into Quora and Pinterest and things that I like, that actually I can see moving the needle for my online business. So find your thing, the thing that you can do consistently for the long term. And number 10, guys, this one is solid. You gotta have fun. You gotta enjoy the process of this marketing, enjoy the process of growing your online business, enjoy the process of learning and just adjusting and getting better. Because if you're having a hard time, if you're pushing yourself and forcing yourself, not saying don't have discipline, if it's a painful journey for you, you're not going to continue it. You're going to give up, right? You're going to go back to your comfort zone. People always quit when things get difficult and they go back to their comfort zone, which is why I quit this industry for almost 5 years before I came back. All right. So have fun with the journey, guys. Enjoy the process of building an online business and the income of your dreams. You got to enjoy it. I think about marketing every day. I think about marketing every night on what I need to do to push my business forward. And you have to have that mindset to become the person that you know you can become, because it is a mindset shift. It truly is. And you have to see the money. You have to see yourself in the position you want to be in. Way before the money gets there, you have to have that mindset of riches up here, way before it hits your bank account. All right. So let's do a quick recap, guys. You got number 1 as readers are leaders. Keep feeding your mind. Keep growing. Keep learning. Number 2, create a bigger vision of where you want to go and what you're trying to do in this industry. Number 3, market daily. Continue to grow your business every day so that you can grow your list, which is your number 1 asset. Number 5, screw the products. You don't need to know all the bells and the whistles and all the benefits and everything about the product. This is a people business. Learn more about people, learn more about buyer tendency, learn more about tapping people's emotions, right? Because this is a people's business and people buy from people they like and they trust. Number 7, there's no new thing, guys. There's some new spin on some old stuff, but just focus on the things that actually work. Jumping from one thing to the next, stay focused in your online pursuits, in the business and the income that you're building, all right? Number 8, do not fear paid traffic. Do not fear losing money, because what you get back is you're getting leads back, for one, that you can keep in contact with, and 2, you're getting back feedback, right? You're getting back data that you can learn from so that you can adjust, improving your opt-in rate. So don't be afraid of paid traffic. It can be very helpful in a learning experience to help you grow your online business. Number 9, find your thing, guys, and enjoy the process and building this online business. There's lots of money to be made. Have fun doing it, because you can build the income and the business of your dreams, but you must become the leader so that you can help lead others. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Share this video with somebody. Don't take these things lightly, all right? Share this video with somebody if this resonated with you. If you found this video helpful, definitely hit that like button. And if you enjoyed this video, then I'm sure you will enjoy this next one also. So hit that like button, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell as well so you won't miss any future videos. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep being the best affiliate marketer you know you can be. See you on the next video. God bless you.